Welcome to Tech Boss again. In this video I'm going to show you 4 ways to hard reset any Tecno phone. Maybe you have forget your password and you want to reset your Tecno phone. I'm going to show you 4 ways to reset it. So watch the full video so you can understand well. If the first method not work for you, maybe the second one going to work for you, maybe the third method going to work for you till the fourth one. And so watch the full video so you can reset your phone successful. Before you can reset your phone or hard reset or fast reset, maybe you have tapped your pin or your password or your pattern so many times. That's why your phone is locked, so you don't remember your password. Okay, don't worry, we are going to fix it very easy. You can see this emergency method not working, so let's try see if the pass is going to open. I'm just type anything. I'm not type anything necessary, so I'm just type anything. You can see my phone is locked, so you are going to remove the password. First you need to turn off the phone. You need to turn off the phone by press and hold on power button to turn off your phone. After turn off your phone, this is the first method. Okay, you need to press and hold on the volume up plus power button at the same time. Press and hold on them. Press and hold on them, volume up, power button. Let's go. Press and hold on them. When you see the Tecno logo, release the power button and hold on the up volume. Release the power button and hold on the up volume. Hold on it till you see the recovery menu. Hold on it till you see the recovery menu. If it's not work, don't worry, we are going to the second method. It's not work, so this is the second method. But if it gives you the recovery method menu, just simple going to select factory reset and reset your phone. This is the second method. Turn off your phone again. After turn off your phone, press on hold on the power button like 3 seconds. Press on hold on the power button 3 seconds to 4 seconds before press and hold on the up volume. And hold on them the same time. You see, power button 3 to 4 seconds, up volume. Power button 3 to 4 seconds, up, press on the up volume and hold on them. When you see the Tecno logo again, release the power button and hold on the volume up. When you see the Tecno logo again, release the power button and hold on the volume up. Hold on it till you see the recovery menu. If this one method 2 is not working for you, we are going to for the third method. We are going to for the third method. That's why I said watch the full video so you can reset your phone successful. This is the third method. The second method is not working, so we are going to the third method. Turn off your phone again. After turn off your phone, press and hold on the power and down volume at the same time. Press the power button like 3 seconds before press and hold on the down volume. Press power button like 3 seconds before press and hold on the power button. Press and hold on press and hold on the volume down plus 3 seconds and press and hold on the power button 3 seconds and press the volume down at the same time. You need to press and hold on them till you see the Tecno logo. When you see the Tecno logo, release the power button and hold on the down volume. Release the power button and hold on the down volume. Release the power button and hold on the down volume till you see the recovery menu. If you don't see the recovery menu, the fourth method automatically going to work for you, because that it work for all Tecno phones, especially the latest one. This is the fourth method. This is the fourth method. Press and turn off your phone again. After turn off your phone, this one is a little bit hard. This one is a little bit complicated, so but you can do it. But this one, we are going to press and hold down on the power button, but don't let the phone vibrate before you press the down volume. You have to do it quick. Press and hold on the power button. I don't know how many minutes, sometimes it can, how many seconds, sometimes it take some of them take like a few seconds, so try it so many times. Press and hold on the power button. Now down volume. Don't let your phone vibrate before you press the down volume, or don't let the logo show before you press the down volume. You need to press on the down volume and hold on it, but don't let the the Tecno logo show before you press the down volume. You can also try the up and down volume, up and power button at like that. Now we are going to fix no command. Press and hold on the volume up plus power button at the same time. Sometimes you need to do it so many times before you get the recovery menu. So when you try it once and it's not work, try it again. Try it again. When you try it once and it's not working, try it again. You can see now I have failed, but don't give up. I'm not going to give up. We can do it. We are going to do the same method again. We are going to do the same process again. Turn off your phone, press and hold on the power button, but don't let your phone vibrate before you press the down volume or up volume. Try both of them. One of them going to work. When you see the Tecno logo, release the power button. Now power button, down volume, release the power button. After release the power button, you will get no command screen, and press and hold on the up volume plus down volume at power button at the same time. You can see now I get the recovery menu. You use down volume to select factory reset. After select factory reset, press power button to as OK to launch the factory reset. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video again. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, so when we upload new video you can get notification.